Making homemade pasta is a new endeavor for me, but with this KitchenaId attachment, it's fun and easy. Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this KitchenaId pasta maker attachment is so much fun. It reminds me of playing with Play-Doh when I was young, but this time my mom isn't yelling at me to stop eating it. This pasta attachment is very easy to set up. It attaches nicely and securely to my KitchenaId mixer. And I love that all I have to do is roll my dough into small balls and put them in the attachment, and the machine does all of the work. It comes with 5 different pasta plates for you to choose from, and they come in a lovely little container for tidy organization, and it also comes with different tools for easy cleanup. I was pleasantly surprised by the durability of all of these pieces. They have been used and abused since I got them, and they are still holding up strong and working great. So if you're ready to start making homemade pasta for your family, then I strongly recommend you try out this KitchenaId pasta maker attachment. And that's my point of view.